Understanding Past Its Prime, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, past its prime. This idiom is commonly used in English, and understanding it will definitely enrich your language skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, past its prime, refers to something that is no longer at its peak performance, quality, or state of being. It suggests that whatever is being described has seen better days and is now in a state of decline or reduced effectiveness. Originally, this term was often used to describe aging athletes or faded celebrities, but it can be applied to a wide range of subjects, including objects, places, and even abstract concepts. To better understand past its prime, let's look at some examples. 1. A faded movie star. The actor, once a major box office draw, is now past his prime, taking smaller roles in independent films. 2. Technology. That smartphone model is past its prime. The newer models have much more advanced features. 3. Businesses and places. The once popular shopping mall is past its prime, with many stores closed and few visitors. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, highlighting its versatility in English. Now, let's see how you can incorporate this phrase into your everyday conversations. When discussing sports, he was an incredible player in his day, but he's past his prime now. In the context of technology or trends, I think this app is past its prime. People are moving on to newer ones. Talking about places or events, the festival used to be the highlight of the year, but it's past its prime and doesn't attract big crowds anymore. And that's a wrap on past its prime. Remember, idioms like this are a fantastic way to add color and depth to your English. We hope this video has been informative and engaging. Stay tuned for more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.